New toy, Gordon.
Oh yeah, another one bites the
It's
duck.
upside down. Oh, look, a ninja.
A ninja, there's a surprise. Yeah. Grill and flat plate.
Ninja Sizzle, low smoke, grill plate, flat plate.
And with mesh. Mesh anti-splatter top. See what goodies we've got. A recipe book. French toast mad.
Egg dip, Gordon.
French toast mad.
Egg dip, Gordon.
Look, it says French.
I know what it says. This book is no good.
Pancakes.
Pancakes. Oh, there's some nice ones back here. Grilled chicken breasts. Vegetable stir-fried rice. That looks nice. Smash burgers with sauteed onions, which is minced beef, not smash. That's the start of it. And pancakes. Grilled Greek lamb burger. Tofu shawarma sandwich. Grilled marinated salmon with asparagus. Yum. Grilled pesto courgette. So vegetables, fry-ups. Grilled peaches with lime and chili mascarpone.
Yeah.
And then some instructions for the heating and cooking times and temperatures. So a little bit to keep beside your cooker till you get to know it.
You also have a grill plate.
Elements. Functions.
So bits and bobs away while you're doing that.
Daniel, no. And just flattened out.
We have controls. Give you a rough estimate of what temperatures to do things at.
So basically it's a grill and a hot plate. What are you cooking?
Breakfast.
Breakfast for dinner. We're having breakfast for dinner.
What we'll do, we'll put on the there.
Okay.
Let's get it up to temperature. Up to 180, do you think? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. We'll leave it for a minute or two to
Fry up. Grill up.
okay, right. Put some air fryer oil, get a wee bit on, enough to spread it out a wee bit. Right, we're just going to preheat for a few minutes until
With the lid closed.
with the lid closed. We'll back now and heat the elements in the bottom minute. So you can cook with or without the lid up.
Yeah. apologise beforehand if the smoke alarms are going to go off. There are 6 of them in this house.
Right.
Good luck, Gordon.
We have black pudding. We have black pudding. We're doing down the side there. Black pudding and the
Haggis.
haggis. We have sausages. I know I'm not.
Don't sing your song.
Sausages.
Leave it out. No, go on, sing your song. Tell them your song every time.
No.
Every time Gordon says the word sausages,
He sings a stupid song, sausages, sausages, riding through the glen. Sausages, sausages, and yeah, let's not go.
Every time, yeah.
Well, just stack it full and see what happens, eh? We'll come back and do the bacon.
Well, it's going to feed 2 of us, so I'm not sure about 4, is it? I suppose you could, you wouldn't have it all on at once, so. But it's quite a big capacity. We'll get some bacon on the go. Also, I think the black pudding is probably ready.
We put the black pudding in. And then more. Woohoo! Yeah. And here we are. I noticed the eggs on top of the tatty scones, so you get all the nice juice as it flows through them. So there we go, all done.
Enjoy!
And we'll see you later on when we do the steak. Right, bye now. Hi, we're back. Breakfast was done excellently. What I meant to say as well, all the 2 plates, this one and the flat plate and the top come off and are dishwasher friendly, so you don't need to have this on all the time. So what we're going to do now is the steak. We've set it to 260 and Mad likes hers cremated, so I think that'll be about 10 minutes each side. So the good thing about this is we can now eat it at the same time. So I'll put Mads in. And it's sizzling away. They recommend 4 to 7 minutes, but we just do it our own way. I like mine medium rare. And as I say, Mads is well cremated, more burnt than cremated.
Got your wine.
Oh yeah, wine, you haven't had any wine. Oh no! Oh no!
Wine o'clock, Gordon.
1 o'clock.
Wine o'clock.
Here we go, a nice
Chardonnay.
Yep, nice little Chardonnay.
Not for me, thank you.
Okay, now it's 5 minutes to go, so I'll put mine in for 2 minutes 30 from now. There. Echo. Timer 2 minutes 30. Mushrooms and tomatoes. Now, I know it's quickly add, the tomatoes are all homegrown.
The tomatoes are homegrown.
Even the yellow ones, yellow.
They even survive with no sunshine, unlike me.
And we're having some green steamed in the microwave. Echo, timer 2 minutes 30. Good afternoon, Gordon. And it's time, stand at 2 minutes 30. And we turn over for another 2 minutes 30. Mad steak, that cooks, it needs a long rest.
And then I'll need a long rest.
And I'll get my usual after tea nap. The steaks are cooked. Some onion. Got to say onion with French.
Oh, fingers don't burn them.
Got to say onion with French accent.
Just broccoli to go.
The dreaded greens. But we like broccoli in it, actually. Didn't you hear me say that? Look at that.
Gotta have your broccoli. We'd usually have chips, but we're forgoing the chips today.
Yeah.
I'll have a big bag of crisps later. No, I won't.
Yes, you. Fella. Don't tell a world that you eat crisps. Anyway, we're off to eat our dinner. Bye bye. We'll get back to you in a while.